Grab right here. See? You grab it here. Oh, not my hand, but okay. Bless you. Bless you. Come on. There you go. Not that part, silly goose.
Well, for only being 4 months old.
Yeah.
5 months old. 5 months tomorrow.
That's amazing, right? Then he wants to eat it.
Could have got him a set of fake titties or something.
Oh,
Blow up. Get him a blow up doll.
stupid. Yeah. He's like, now what do I do? Yay! Good job! Look at that! Mr. Strongman. Here, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that so you can start on the new piece. There you go. Oh, you got to the box. Now you gotta get this. There, flip it over. Now get that side. Yay! Come on, here, let me see your hand. Oh. Good job, look at you. Oh. You gotta use this one and grab right there. Use this one, grab right there. See? Look, here's a piece. Here's a piece. Here, let me move you so you can. Grab this. Okay, we're gonna open it. There you go. Yeah, then you just want it to be open now?
Like, yes, Mom. But babe, it's a black kid.
You're stupid.
Nom 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 nom, dead peeper.
He's like, this is the best present ever.
Paper.
And it makes crinkly noises. You saving that piece for later? He like tucked it under his chin. Okay, you're gonna do one more big one. One more big one. He said, no, I want this piece. Here, let me see that one. I'll save it for you. Let me see this one. I'll save it for you. There we go. We'll save it. Now go after this one. Go after this one. Come right here. Let me see. Let me see. Not my hand. Not my hand. Here. There you go. One big last one. One big last one. There you go. Hi. Let me see your other hand. There you go. Yay! Good job! Look what you got. You got a little moo-moo. Jaxon, what'd you get? You got a little moo-moo. Yeah, moo-moo jumpy. He says, yeah, but I want my shoe, Mom.
Let me suck on my feet and I'll be happy. Duh.
Yeah, he wants his foot. You want your foot? Here. Here's your foot. Here's your foot. Cool. Look at that.
Did you go to Best Buy for it, baby?
I did.
Best Buy without me? How come?